Okay, so this is the Sun Squad hula hoop. It's essentially a snap together hula hoop. What that means is you are going to connect the whole hula hoop, and later on when you are done, you can put it back for storage. So I'm going to set this thing up so that my daughter can do hula hoops. And if you don't have space, you can always fold it back to the way it was. So let me open this and show it to you. Okay, so you can see how this thing is. Finally, the whole thing is connected, so you are not going to lose it. And then you are just supposed to open it and make it this hoop. And next part is just starting to connect everything, right? So essentially, notice it only fits one way, right? So same here. If you try to force it, it won't go in. You need to essentially rotate it into the correct position for it to essentially go inside. Yep, maybe. Yep, notice how you need to really. Yep. Okay. Okay, so this should go here like this. And notice it got locked in. Now the hoop is ready. See? Do you want to go? Yeah. Okay, now my daughter is going to do it. Come on, do it. See, obviously she doesn't know how to do it when we just purchased it. But it's like she'll get hard using this. It's very, very safe and nice, and it also has this nice grooves here so that kids get more, I think, connected to the hoops, and it's slightly easier to do than just a normal ring. And you're supposed to rotate it, and my daughter is going to learn it now, potentially from YouTube videos and so on. Here we don't know how to do it, but because she wanted it based on the friend was doing it, so we decided to buy it for her as well. So yeah, a fun toy. You can see how easy it is. And then when you want to fold it back, wait 1 minute, now can you sit down? Okay. Now when you want to fold it back, all you have to do is rotate it. And notice how I removed it. That's how you are supposed to remove each and every one of them. And you can fold it and store it back. And then you can once again place it. So it's easy to remove and add, and you have this hula hoop. Fun for kids. Very happy with it. Okay, thank you.